I have a nice recipe today I would like to show you. I'm going to make turkey breast steaks. I have 4 steaks that are about a ½ inch thick. Very nice meat. They're 99% fat free, which is a great way to start your dinner. So this is about 1.5 pounds. And then I'm going to pan sear it with some pan searing flour. You can use regular flour, but this is a very finely milled flour. It makes a nice crispy edge on the stuff that you're searing. I'm going to use some organic basting oil. This is a sunflower oil with garlic, parsley, and thyme inside. It's all infused into the oil, so it's a great way to get your flavor quickly while you're searing it. And I'm going to add a little bit more dried thyme. Then I'm going to fry some sage. Now this is a beautiful bunch of sage here, nice and fresh, and I'm going to fry that in some butter. And then we're going to top it off onto the turkey steaks. So it doesn't take long to make this. You can grill it or you can pan sear it. Today I'm cooking on the stovetop to show you everything at one time. So let's get it started. We're going to get a frying pan out and heat up some basting oil. I'm going to pour some pan searing flour onto a paper plate so that I can dredge the turkey steaks. If you've ever had a chance to buy this kind of flour, it's very fine. It has some sea salt and white pepper in it. And you can use it for seafood and meat and poultry, but it's flavored a little bit already, so we won't need to add salt and pepper to this. I'm just going to pour some on a plate. Okay, I'm starting to heat up the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of this nice basting oil. I'm using this sunflower oil mainly because it has a temperature that allows you to cook hotter and the oil won't smoke. Now you can see I didn't need to use a lot of it, but it's infused with the parsley, thyme, and garlic, which is great. However, I want this to have the Thanksgiving kind of flavor because we're cooking a turkey, and I'm going to add some extra thyme, and that's also the reason that I'm frying some sage. While that's heating up on another burner, I'm going to start another little pan with some butter. I have this nice fresh bunch of sage, and it comes from the mint family. It's a nice way to get loads of flavor into your food without using sodium, so I like it for that reason too. We're going to warm up the butter and wash the sage and get that ready to go. Okay, now the oil with the seasonings is starting to get hot. You can smell some of the seasonings there. So I'm going to take the turkey steaks. I'm going to dredge them in some flour. Lightly shake it off the excess. Place it in the oil. And hear the sizzle. Don't you love that sound? Oh, yes. It means something good is coming. These are so much nicer than the cutlets because they're thicker. They really are a steak. Alright. Alright, now the butter is heated up. I'm going to put that down to a medium heat. And I've washed the sage. And I'm just going to separate that as we drop it into the pan. The aromatics, the smells, oh my goodness, it smells so good. This is something that most people, I find, have never tried. So give it a try. You won't regret the flavors involved. Alright, let's get back to the turkey pan here. I think we can turn them over and sear the other side. Beautiful. Doesn't that look delicious? That nice brown edge. That pan searing flour does wonders. Alright, we're going to keep cooking them. And go back here and attend to the sage. Can you smell that? Oh, I hope you can smell that. Alright, cook this a little while longer and I'll be back to show you. A few minutes, does not take long. Kind of reminds you of a pork chop. Just push it over one more time. Both sides are looking great. Alright, let's move the turkey steaks to a serving plate. Spread it out. Keep it moving right now. The smell, oh my God, it's so good. I think if I could influence people to use this herb, I would be so happy through this video to get people to try the beautiful flavors that come out of some fresh sage. As the sage leaves crisp up, I'm picking them out of the pan and placing them on top of the nice turkey breasts. Over here. And then at the end, we'll pour some of the rest of the butter over top. Pay good attention to the leaves as they're sizzling here because they get fried and crispy very quickly. Okay, I would highly suggest you try some sage in your cooking. It'll allow you to reduce your sodium content. It'll bring out so many more beautiful flavors than you're used to probably. Most people only taste sage in their turkey dressing and poultry seasoning. So let's have a taste, see how it is. Nice tender meat, juicy, with a nice crispy sage leaf on top. I think you'll really like it. Give it a try, and thanks for watching.